Welcome at the RTS Guru, Unit 11. What's the matter? In this unit, you will learn the following: how to give greetings and farewells, how to express obligation, how to ask and answer about health. Here are the words you will learn to use: afternoon, arm, back, backache, bill, by, dad, day, earache, evening, foot, go home, hand, have to, had, headache, hurt, keep right, knee, leg, moon, morning, night, pay, shoulder, sorry, star, stomach, stomachache, stop, sun, tack, tooth, toothache. Here are some phrases you will learn to use: good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, goodbye, see you later. Here are some sentences you will practice. Are you all right? What's the matter? What's wrong? I'm sorry to hear that. Thanks for coming. I have a headache. We have to pay $87.5. I have to go now. Here are some sentences you will practice. Are you all right? What's matter? What's wrong? I think we read all of them. Let's move ahead. Imperatives. Good morning, good afternoon, evening, night, a day. The sun, the moon, the stars. Morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Picture 8, evening. Picture 9, night. Picture 10, good evening, good evening. Picture 11, good night, Mark. Good night, Dad. Let's repeat this: the sun, the moon, the stars. Morning, good afternoon. Picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, picture 11. Let's move to the next page. John. Hello, John. John is coming. Hi. Goodbye. Goodbye. John is going. Bye. See you later. Have a nice day. Thank you. Revision. Picture 1. Hello, John. John is coming. Picture 3. Goodbye. Picture 4. Picture 5. I hope you repeat them well. Now let's move to the next page. Head, back, stomach, ear, tooth. Picture 6. What's the matter? I have a headache. Picture 7. What's the matter? I have toothache. Picture 9. What's the matter? I have backache. Picture 9. What's the matter? I have an earache. Picture 10. What's the matter? I have stomach ache. Revision. Now repeat. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10. Let's move ahead. Foot, shoulder, hand, leg, knee, arm. Picture 7. What's the matter? My foot hurts. What's wrong? Picture 8. What's wrong? My shoulder hurts. Picture 9. Are you alright? My knee hurts. Picture 10. What's wrong? My arm hurts. Picture 11. Are you alright? My hand hurts. Picture 12. What's matter? My leg hurts. Let's repeat. It's your turn to repeat. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now repeat and read picture 7. Now repeat and read picture 8. Now repeat and read picture 9. Now repeat and read picture 10. Now repeat and read picture 11. Now repeat and read picture 12. I hope you repeat all the things very well. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. I'm sorry. Picture 2. Sorry. Alright, I have headache. I'm sorry to hear that. Picture 4. Are you alright? My knee hurts. I'm sorry to hear that. Picture 5. You have to stop. Picture 6. You have to keep right. Picture 7. We have to pay $87.5. Picture 8. You have to take 2 tables. Picture 9. I'm sorry, I have to go now. I'm sorry to hear that. Goodbye. Now repeat. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9. I hope you did it well. It's time to move to the next page. The Bensons. I don't agree. I think doing business is better than teaching. Picture 2. What's the matter? N. Are you alright? I have a headache. Would you like to go home? Yes, please. Picture 4. I have to go now. Picture 5. Where is Sue? There. Okay, let's repeat this. It's your turn to repeat. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, and picture 5. Let's move to the next page. Picture 6. We have to go now. Thanks for the party. Are you alright? Ben has to go now and Anne has a headache. I'm sorry to hear that. Picture 8. It was a lovely party. I like it very much. So did I. Picture 9. Yes, it was a lovely party. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Picture 10. Goodbye. Good night. Okay. Repeat it again. Picture 6. Picture 7. Picture 8. Picture 9. And that's all about Unit 11.